And here you will ask yourself, what is the lean methodology goal? And here we can simply say that the primary objective of lean is to identify and eliminate different types of waste that exist within your processes. This is achieved through techniques like value stream mapping, which visualize the entire process and help in pinpoint areas for inefficiency. Then we have the continuous improvement philosophy known as Kaizen. It is an integral part of lean. It involves a small and incremental changes that accumulate over time, leading to a significant improvement in efficiency and quality. So here, lean doesn't ask you for a big leap of a change or improvement. Rather, you can make small changes over time. At the end of the day, it will lead to a huge change. By adapting lean principles and tools like value stream mapping and Kaizen, the goal here is to enhance efficiency, which in turn will reduce the cost for you. The outcome of this effort should ideally lead to a higher customer satisfaction because you are providing him by what he wants, as the product or service are all delivered more effectively. So the ultimate aspiration is to transform organizations into a lean organizations. This means that the organization is capable of consistently delivering products or service that not only meet the customer requirement but also exceed them. Lean principles such as eliminate waste, amplify learning, deciding as last as possible, and delivering as fast as possible are the guiding lights on lean that will help your organization to streamline their processes, optimize decision making, and stay focused on creating value for their customer. By doing so, your business, your organization can indeed run more smoothly and effectively. This efficiency can be translated to improved product and service that will satisfy your customer needs. Furthermore, the continuous improvement aspect of lean will ensure that your organization remains adaptable in the changing environment. This adaptability is important and crucial if you want to stay competitive and relevant in today's market. At the end of this session, I need you to understand and know that lean methodology is a valuable tool for business looking to improve their efficiency and deliver a better value to their customers. Whether you are in a manufacturing, healthcare, or software development, lean can benefit you. Lean has a benefits for your organization. So if you are aiming to streamline and create a more efficient operations, consider incorporating lean practices in your organization. Now, I would love to hear from you, your thoughts. Do you have any question? Or would you like to share any experience related to lean management? Please feel free to engage with us and write your thoughts in the comment. Thank you. I will see you in another session.